So, Erin, I think the
Yes.
next question is how do speech and language impairments impact other areas such as literacy, such as behavior?
That is another fantastic question. And actually, it's going to be a great piggyback question off of what I just got done sharing with. And even like what you were saying, Dr. Bauer, is a lot of the children start to notice the difficulties that they're having. Well, one, probably at home when they're young. And so I noticed that some of the kiddos that more so have difficulty communicating with verbal speech or might use more gestures, those kiddos might exhibit the most frustration. And I know that there might be or they might also be behaviors that might be showing as well. But a lot of the behaviors that I see is not so much a behavior of like an act out or retaliation. A lot of these kids just want to convey what they tell their parents so bad, but they can't. And so I've had some kids come in where they have a complete meltdown, but that's not because they're trying to purposefully exhibit any difficulty or anything like that. It's because they can't get across what they want to say or how they want to communicate with their parents over there. So that's one thing that I notice a lot. And I'm just going to use some different studies. So Menting et al. In 2011, they were able to find a study that was able to correlate language ability may be important to the extent that it allows children to communicate their wants and needs, and it helps to facilitate social skills and also helps prevent peer rejection as well when we're able to kind of develop those language abilities. And then another study with Barkley et al. Showed that children with better language ability may be more effective at using kind of like self-talk problem solving as a guiding tool. And that kind of may show for better self-regulation and also better flexible thinking as well in the long run. So a lot of children that I see that may have difficulty problem solving, or if maybe they might have more rigid thinking mindset, that's because of an expressive language difficulty and being able to kind of do some self-talk or notice different nonverbal cues as well to kind of problem solve what are some different things that they could do.